Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. I got a Quickwedge by EMC Co. Inc. Uh, nice little screwdriver. Not gonna do a whole lot. Just get the metal right. Get the make sure it's all cleaned up. Uh, Tidy up the green a little bit. Not gonna do anything super duper with it because I'm not that good yet with it. I don't want to ruin it. So, if you want to hang out, let's check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Found this up on my trip up north, northern side of the state. Is $2. Had to have it because I've seen them. Never did ever get one and where I could have it. Seen a lot of people with these. I think 357 Magdad just acquired a blue handle one and then a real narrow one, small narrow one. So here's a Quickwedge number 1836. Just needs a little tidying up, not a whole lot. It's in really good shape overall. I'm not going to do a whole lot with the plastic other than get the grime off it because I'm not good with plastic right now and I don't want to end up doing any major damage to it. So give me a couple minutes to get this stupid sticker off because I don't want to waste your time with me fighting with the sticker. Well, that took like 10 seconds. Sorry about that. I actually peeled it. It came off and didn't leave a whole lot of residue on it. What are the odds of that? If I would have left the camera running, then it would have took 2 hours to get all that mess off. See if I can lightly tidy up the metal just a hair. Much better. Just need to try to get a little flat one up in there because it's just, this section's clean, that section's just got the grime in it. Wish me luck I don't screw up. I really don't want to accidentally catch it and then have it spool out. If it spools out, it's going to turn around and rip that apart or bend it. I might cry. It's the first one I've ever had. Not too bad. I might try to put a little spongy wheel on it. Yeah, I'm done with that before I end up destroying it. As far as the metal goes, I'm good with this. It's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. There is some pitting on the inside of the wedge, but I think it looks pretty good. A little bit of uh, damage on this. The tube, when I looked through it, had no, just as shiny as can be. Not even, no mud, dirt, rust, or anything up in the corrosion or anything. The tube is spotless. Now for the 3-hour process of me trying to figure out how to deal with this mess. Well, when I get better at working plastic without melting or damaging it, then I'll do a better job on it. But in the short term, EMC Co. Inc. Quickwedge, number 1836, 5C. Not too bad. Works smooth. I said the barrel was impeccably clean. If I have the nerve to work on the plastic, get these scratches and stuff out. If not, I'll just leave it. It's character. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all that subscribed, like, comment. Have a great weekend or week. Not sure when I'm cutting this loose. Be safe. Have a good luck on the hunt.